Hello viewers, let's use Samsung device care for better performance and to keep everything smoother. Go to your mobile settings and settings, scroll down till you find device care, so click it. Now there are several options like battery, storage, memory. Let me click memory, and when memory open it will show you all the apps which is running on your memory. So click view more and more and you will see all. So go up and clean now, press it. Now it will clean the unnecessary apps from the RAM, and your phone and your mobile phone will go smoother. At the bottom RAM plus is also available, so if you click it you can decrease RAM. Now let's go back and scroll down to reach diagnostics in device care. Click it and you will see phone diagnostic, app, battery and app safety. Let me click phone diagnostic and click test all. Your phone will show normal situation as well as action required also. Click it continue testing or restart testing and click start, and one by one it will go for test. You can use skip or you can turn on like Bluetooth test, so turn it on. During test it's required. Skip can also be used, vibrate, so you can check it, and this is my screen which is perfectly correct or right, and at the end it will show report, so click OK. In case if some action required, so that would be displayed in orange color. The last and the most important, to keep intact the privacy of your mobile, so click maintenance mode, turn on and restart, and your mobile will automatically complete the task. So follow the instructions. Thanks for watching.